In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily get rid of screen time on your iPhone. Screen time can be a useful feature to manage your device usage, but sometimes you might want to turn it off for various reasons. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see an option called Turn Off Screen Time. Just tap on it. And then tap Turn Off Screen Time one more time to confirm it. And now you've successfully gotten rid of screen time on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.